Hey, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a $7 tool that's going to save you some money down the road. So recently I bought a house. It's 30 years old. Some things have some growing pains. So last week we upgraded one of my switches to an outlet. During that process, I was able to isolate a few other problems I needed to fix in the house. One, the hot lead on one of the outlets was reversed. I'm going to show you today how to fix that and what helped me isolate that problem. Stick around. This one does. Uh-oh, the hot leads are reversed. Let's try the next one. Same. It's not gonna burn your house down, but it could be done better. Let's do that now. So as I said before, reverse polarity means that these should be punched in on this side. How do I know that? These are gold. These are the gray cables. The gray ones go with the gold. The white go with the silver. Simple as that. Let's do that now. So to start, we're gonna have to cut some cables. They opted to use the punch down blocks. Once you do that, that cable's in there forever. So we're just gonna put there, there. You just kind of rock it back and forth. Cuts it pretty easy. And there's a little grabber on the end. So today we're able to isolate one of the outlets today for having a polarity reverse on the hot lead. Use this handy little tool, $7. Easily worth the effort to make sure that your house is safe. And it also helps you make sure you're safe when you're doing electronics around the house. So hopefully you got a little bit out of this episode, and I'll see you next time. Hey, how's it going? Today, we're going to show you how this $7 tool helped me understand what was going wrong in my electrical circuit. Oh.